The 7-inch wireless car stereo offers seamless compatibility with both wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring a hassle-free connection to your smartphone. Featuring a high-definition 7-inch capacitive touchscreen, this stereo provides a crystal-clear viewing experience for video playback and GPS navigation. With built-in Bluetooth 5.1, you can enjoy wireless streaming of music and calls, while the stable FM radio lets you stay updated with real-time traffic and news. The stereo includes a backup camera with HD night vision and a 170-degree viewing angle, enhancing safety and convenience during reversing. Designed to fit almost all double-DIN openings, the stereo comes with a detailed installation manual for easy setup, and additional accessories may be required for certain vehicles. The car stereo also supports multiple functions such as dual USB and AUX inputs, customizable wallpaper, and LED backlights, offering a versatile in-car entertainment solution.